we're off to a off track. Sorry for the noise, it's the brakes, it's my disc brakes. Well, as we say, take the route which is unlikely to be ridden by other people. Discovery is one way of learning, and this route is one other discovery for me. And hopefully, before it gets developed, I've already ridden it, just like my other vlogs. Maybe you have seen those developments on the roads that were not yet paved. And so this is it again. And hopefully be able to go to the other side of this work area. And it's not kind of busy. Well, on the left side, as you can see, there's private properties, and those fences are electric fences, so you have to be careful. I was supposed to fly my drone, but the wind is kind of strong. And anyway, this is my life in motion, and welcome to my channel. And this is Werner, and thank you for showing up. Just like life, we don't have to walk in the shadow of other people, but we have to walk in our own shadow. Reflect on it. Try to know him again, so you'll be able to love yourself. How would you be able to love yourself if you don't know yourself, right? So again, maybe it's time for you and for me to reacquaint me with myself. And doing so, I give justice of what we are doing with your life. Just like this pathway, that could be rocks, spikes. Life is like this, ups and downs. You have to find your path, so you'll be able to succeed in what kind of endeavors that you want to go through. Well, just like now, sometimes you have to slow down, as life at this age is more likely to be on that crossroads. And one way of doing so is taking care of yourself, your richness in life, and being rich doesn't necessarily mean it's in your pocket or money wise. I should have gone on that way. Rich in here, rich in your mind, rich in your physical and mental well-being. I mean, we could all be health buff because you don't know anytime soon. Hopefully and faithfully, God, thank you, Lord, for waking me up again on this day, March 12, 2025. And thank you for enriching me with things and ideas, even though it's been a roller coaster ride so far, but at least it's in a straight pathway. And my family, my children especially, I know that you'll take good care of them. And thank you so much also to you, my friends, for showing up. And right now, silence. Anyway, in God's promises, time and fulfillment, this is Warner. This is my life in motion. Thank you and cheers. Cheers, cheers. God bless. Okay, see you in the next vlog.